Today I'm going to teach you how to paste images inside component instances in Figma. This is a really useful technique when you're working with design systems and need to quickly apply the same image properties across multiple component instances without breaking the component structure. Let's start by opening your Figma application. Once you're in, you'll need to open the file or project where you want to paste images inside component instances. This could be any design file where you're working with components, whether it's a UI kit, a website mockup, or any other project that uses reusable components. Now that you have your project open, locate the image that contains the properties you want to copy. This could be an image with specific fills, effects, or other styling that you want to apply elsewhere. Right-click on this image, and you'll see a menu appear with various options. Look for the option that says Copy/Paste As and click on it. This will open a submenu with more specific copying options. From that submenu, click on Copy Properties. What this does is copy all the visual properties of your selected image, like fills, strokes, effects, and other styling attributes, without copying the actual object itself. This is different from a regular copy and paste, which would duplicate the entire object. Instead, you're just grabbing its properties to apply them somewhere else. Next, you need to navigate to the component where you want to apply these copied properties. For this example, click on the rectangle inside your component instances. It's important to note that you're working within a component instance here, so you're not editing the main component itself, just this particular instance. Click on the specific shape or element within that component where you want the image properties to appear. Now right-click on that selected element. Again, you'll see the context menu appear with various options. Just like before, look for Copy/Paste as in the menu and click on it to reveal the submenu options. This time, instead of copying, you'll click on Paste Properties. This action takes all those properties you copied from the original image and applies them directly to the element you've selected inside your component instance. The visual properties will transfer over immediately, and you'll see your element update with the same styling as the original image. And that's it. You've successfully pasted image properties inside a component instance in Figma. This method is incredibly efficient when you're working with design systems and need to maintain consistency across multiple instances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.